My name is Dr. Caitlin Prickett, and I'm a concierge internal medicine physician and founder of Concierge Medicine at Boca Raton. I started my career and my patient panel was 3,500 patients, and I was seeing over 20 patients a day. I was only able to spend 7 to 8 minutes with each patient face to face. And so I decided to open my own private practice, a concierge model, so that I could actually spend time with patients and practice the way I wanted to practice medicine. I knew that whole body MRI scans were a good tool, but I was actually contacted by Prenuvo directly because we share similar patients. The MRI machines are the nicest MRI machines I've ever seen compared to any hospital or any other imaging center. The reports are very physician and patient friendly. I've had patients with masses and cysts found in certain organs that needed to have follow-up and biopsy. Patients with solitary kidneys. Patients who have anatomical variants in their cerebral arteries. These are asymptomatic patients. So the fact that Prenuvo is able to pick up these findings, it changes the way we manage patients. There's a lot of reservation in the medical community about whole body imaging. Physicians think that it's going to show a lot of false positives. I see it as finding true positives. If it comes back benign, that's great news. But what if it was cancer? What if it was a true positive? They think that it's going to induce patient anxiety and worry. My stance on that is if patients have proper discussions with their primary care physicians, who's going to develop a personalized plan of action for those findings, it can put those patients at ease. This is the new age of health and wellness where patients are partners with their physician. Patients actually are in the driver's seat of their health, more so than what we've ever seen in the past.